Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about sleep. And I think it's very important topics because studies show that 1 in 4 Indians suffer from insomnia and nearly half of the population experience sleep related issues. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to serious health conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and stroke. Chronic sleep deprivation. So, we are gonna talk about this issue because sleep deprivation is increasing in India. Studies show 1 in 4 Indians suffer from insomnia. Various factors can impact sleep, like stress and excessive screen time. There are two kinds of people: those who can fall asleep the moment their head hits the pillow, and those who spend endless hours doom scrolling, unable to drift off. If you are reading this and watching this video, chances are you belong to the second category or know someone who does. Disrupted sleep patterns and insomnia are growing problems in India and should be a major concern, as a lack of sleep can lead to a range of physical and mental health issues. We will get into the details in a bit. 1 in 4 Indians suffer from sleep issues. There is no doubt that Indians are suffering from sleep debt. The difference between how much sleep your body needs and how much you get. In 2023, the Agewell Foundation conducted a study involving over 5,000 individuals across 20 states, revealing that more than half, around 52%, experience difficulty achieving deep sleep. Additionally, 69.8% of participants reported sleeping for less than 6 hours per day, and 1.68% struggled to attain restful sleep. A 2023 paper available on Researchers Get reviewed 100 sleep studies in India and found that 1 in 4 Indians suffer from insomnia and nearly half of the population has sleep related issue. Another survey conducted by the social media platform Local Circle in 2024, which included 41,000 participants from 309 districts over 12 months in India, found that around 52% experience difficulty achieving deep sleep. Studies show around 52% of Indians experience difficulty achieving deep sleep. This represents a 6% increase from their 2022 to 2023 survey. Why can't you fall asleep? Dr. Satish Ramaiah, the Executive Director of Psychiatry Services at Sukoon Health, Bangalore, tells India Today that there are various underlying causes why someone can't fall asleep. Sleep is an extremely complex process, and there are multiple factors, physical, mental, and environmental, that impact it. Says Dr. Ramaiah, knowing that disrupt your sleep is very important as it can help you sleep better. Dr. Vibhu Kawatra, a pulmonologist, sleep expert, and allergy specialist in Delhi, leads the various reasons. First, screen time. The blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Using screens before bed can make your brain think it's still daytime. Stress and anxiety. Number two, high level of stress and anxiety can make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Around 52% experience difficulty. Stress can cause insomnia. Worries about work, finance, or personal relationship can keep your mind racing, says Dr. Kawatra. And three, irregular sleep schedule. Dr. Dixit, Dr. Thakur, a sleep expert, Apollo Spectra Hospital in New Delhi, says sometimes you are going to sleep at 11 and sometimes you are going to at 1. So your internal body is not able to understand your sleep cycle, says Dr. Thakur. This disruption of sleep pattern, such as varying bedtime and wake up time, can disrupt your body internal clock, making it harder to fall asleep. Number 4, caffeine and stimulate. Consuming caffeine or other stimulant in the afternoon or evening can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Studies show that caffeine consumption reduces total sleep time by 45 minutes. Studies show that So, a systematic analysis released in 2024 that went wrong. 24 studies show that caffeine consumption reduced total sleep time by 45% and sleep efficiency by 7% with an increase in sleep onset latency of 9 minutes and wake up sleep onset of 12 minutes. Number 5. Poor sleeping environment. Dr. Ramaiah says factors like an uncomfortable mattress, excessive noise, or an inappropriate room temperature can negatively impact your ability to fall asleep. Number 6. Lack of physical activities. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, falling asleep might be difficult. A 2021 study showed that physical exercise produces melatonin and reduces stress, which can help in sleeping better. Number 7. Diet and eating habits. Eating large meal or certain type of food close to bedtime can lead to discomfort and make it harder to fall asleep. Heavy or spicy food can cause by digestion that disrupts sleep, says Dr. Kawatra. Number 8. Mental health issue condition like depression and anxiety can significantly affect sleep patterns. Poor mental health can lead to insomnia or other sleep disorder. Number 9. Medications. Some medications, including certain antidepressant, stimulant, and medications for high blood pressure, can have side effects that impact sleep. Number 10. Chronic health condition issues like sleep apnea, restless leg syndromes, or chronic pain can make it difficult to get restful sleep. What can sleep debt do to your body? We often deliberately disrupt our sleep schedule for that latest movie or one more episode, but sleep loss can have profound effect on the body, influencing both physical and mental health. Experts say that if sleep is consistently inadequate, it can lead to cognitive impairment, making it difficult to concentrate, learn, and make decisions. Hormonal imbalance can also occur, particularly stress and appetite regulating hormones like cortisol, which can contribute to weight gain and increased stress level. The cardiovascular system is similarly affected, with an elevated risk of hypertension and heart disease. Hormonal imbalances can also occur, particularly in stress and appetite regulating hormones like cortisol, to weight gain and increased stress level. The immune system becomes less effective, leaving the body more vulnerable to infections over time. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to serious health conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and even neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's, underscoring the critical role of sleep in maintaining overall well-being. How to actually fix it? The interest is filled with various tips on how to fix your sleep cycle. Additionally, the Indian market is flooded with supplements nowadays and gadgets claiming to help. So we asked the expert for practical advice on how to actually improve your sleep cycle. And here are some of the best method. Number 1 is figure out what is causing the disruption. As we told you, various factors can be responsible for a disrupted sleep cycle. Once we figure out what is causing the disruption, it is easier to fix the sleep cycle. If stress or anxiety is causing sleep disruption, it's important to seek help to manage it, which can in turn improve your sleep. The number 2, build a proper sleep cycle. I think going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, it's important to maintain your body rhythm. The number 3, control your waking up time. Dr. Ramaiah says that since people who have disrupted their sleep cycle can't control the time they go to sleep, he advised them to wake up early, which can then force them to sleep on time. Try to waking up half an hour earlier every week. Don't make any drastic change, as they will not last long, says Dr. Ramaiah. The number 4 is limit light exposure. Before bedtime, melatonin is released when there is very little or no light, which helps promote sleep. The circadian rhythm of our body is influenced by environmental causes like light and darkness, aligning our body functions with the day-night cycle. Dr. Chugh suggests using blackout curtains or shades to eliminate external light sources and installing dimmer switch or low voltage bulb in the bedroom to create a calming atmosphere before bed. This also means avoiding screens and using blue light filters on devices at least an hour before bedtime. Number 5 is don't try too hard. Dr. Manveer Bhatia, the founder of Neurology and Sleep Center in Delhi and the Vice President of the Indian Society of Sleep Research, tells us that new research shows that the more hard you try to fall asleep, the more difficult it will be to fall asleep. Hormonal imbalance can also occur, particularly in stress and appetite regulating. Hormones like cortisol, which can contribute to weight gain and increase stress level. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to all this issue. So take care of your sleep cycle. People today try various methods to fall asleep, like drinking milk, using aromatherapy, or taking hot shower. But the more you let go and stop worrying about falling asleep, the easier it will be. Number 6, doctors. Number 6 is manage little things. Don't overlook the small details that can impact your sleep, such as room temperature, comfortable clothing, or the right bedding. This factor can significantly influence. So, thanks a lot for watching this video. That's all I wanted to say, because sleeping is very important part of our life. If you sleep